Shri Saptagiri Ulka ji.
Thank you, Chairman ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to speak on supplementary demand for grants, second batch for 2020-2021. Before we start on the supplementary demands, let me just have a word about the budget. So basically, it turned into an election manifesto. We focused on only 4 states, and there are about 25 other states which didn't find any mention. And this promises also, let me remind, ma'am, like even Modi ji, when he went to Bihar in 2015, he said 70,000 crore, 80,000 crore, 1,25,000 crores. Again, if you look at the actuals, it only turned out to be 15,559 crores. So again, this is going to be a jumla in the budget, which they have successfully propagated, but the people are clever to fall in this trap. Let me talk about the economy. The Honorable Finance Minister had said only thrice before has a budget followed a contraction in the economy. Let me remind you, ma'am, that the economy was contracted much before the COVID pandemic, before the lockdown. And if you see, the GDP growth has been on a downward slide from Q4 financial year 17 with a 11-year low of 3.1% even before the pandemic hit. And the unemployment rate at that time was 6.1%, which was really alarming. And when the lockdown was announced by Honorable Prime Minister in 4 hours, and he announced a Garib Kalyan Yojana, which said that we valued at 2.76 lakh crore rupees. Ma'am, to be honest, we or the people in the ground, we don't see how the money has reached the people. The actual amount from this package, maximum would be 73,000 crores, which is mainly from Manrega, the allocation of Manrega or the food subsidy PDS system. But all this amount, 2.7 lakh crores, is nothing but another jumla by this government. And the Atmanirbhar package, first they announced it is about 27.1 lakh crore rupees, 13% of GDP, 29.87 lakh rupees. So maybe the finance minister can clarify actually what was the package and whether they were reshaping the budget which was considered the Atmanirbhar package. And when we come out the budget, health and well-being, it was announced in the budget with chest thumping is 2,23,846 crores in B 2021-22. But again, when we look into the actuals, it was not more than 60,000 crore, which was the health. They added the sanitation, drinking water, nutrition, and other things in the health budget. And this investment, this government is hell-bent on disinvesting Air India, LIC, IPO, and other things. But let me come back to a different point. The target for disinvestment receipts is reduced by 16.67% to 1.7 lakh crores between B 2020-21 and B 21-22. So they have been targeting to disinvest, but actually कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. Air India कोई खरीद नहीं रहा है. आप try कर रहे हो. This is impacting the fiscal deficit. So what they're doing, just they're having the numbers, but they don't have a strategy or a plan how they're going to disinvest. हम तो मना कर रहे हैं, बट आप खुद बोल रहे हो डिसइन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, कैसे करोगे वो भी बता दो हमें. अब एक सेस लगाया है, दिस इज एग्रीकल्चर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड डेवलपमेंट सेस. अब ये बोलते हैं दिस वोंट इम्पैक्ट द कॉमन मैन. लेकिन मैम ये सेस लगाने से पहले आप देखोगे पेट्रोल डीजल के प्राइसेस ऑलरेडी बढ़ा चुके थे. इट वाज अराउंड 90s. सो वो कम करके फिर से सेस लगा दिए कि लोगों को पता नहीं चलेगा. दिस इज अगेन इन्फ्लेशन. एंड एलपीजी का जो एग्जांपल दे रहे थे अभी, एलपीजी गैस सिलेंडर, आई वाज इन अ मीटिंग विद द डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर्स. 840 रुपये कुछ हो गया. आंगनवाड़ी सेंटर्स जो है, they can't finance the LPG, they can't afford the prices. तो what we decided कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट मिनरल फंड से हम LPG का गैस खरीदने के लिए पैसा देंगे. ये हाल है. आप बोल रहे कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. फिजिकल डेफिसिट, अभी I understand the corona was there, lockdown and everything, but we expected it will be around 8%. It went up to 9%. And one important thing which I want to highlight here is they also conducted off-balance sheet borrowings to the tune of 1.5 lakh crores annually by PSU agencies such as NHAI and FCI. जो NCCF का लोन है, ये बहुत दिनों से चल रहा है, and they've been managing the fiscal deficit. Suddenly अब कोरोना है, they offloaded NCCF and budget में include किए, but this is again a strategy. Rural sector, Manrega was the only saving grace for this government, and the Manrega allocation, we expected that it will cross 1 lakh crore. But unfortunately, again, that was not there. It is still in 73,000 crore. And the supplementary demands में है, इसमें अगर मनरेगा बढ़ा देते तो बहुत अच्छा होता है. There was a colleague of mine who said the backward districts of Andhra Pradesh, अगर इसको केबी के जैसे कर देंगे तो they will be beneficial. But I'll say you ma'am, केबी के डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो केंद्र सरकार हम लोग फाइनेंस कर रहे थे 2015-16 से आप तो वो फंड बंद कर दिए हो. केबी के डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोई फंडिंग आ ही नहीं रहा है and the aspirational district framework is not at all working. Ministry of Defense, again, honorable member was saying that we have increased the budget allocation something. It's only increased by 1.4% hike, which is really not sufficient. Pollution के लिए again, they have allocated 2,217 crores of 42 urban centers. एक smog tower के लिए, it costs around, ma'am, give me some time because I was supposed to be 4-5 minutes. It was supposed to be 20 crore rupees, but again they have reduced it. And telecommunication, I'll say this is the most important thing. Telecommunication, we are living in two different worlds, ma'am. जब यहाँ सब सदस्य कहते हैं, मैं अपने एरिया की बात कर रहा हूँ, रायगढ़ और कोरापुट जिला के, we don't have mobile towers. आप national education policy लाओ, digital education लाओ, one nation, nothing will work. Because mobile connection ही नहीं है, and if you look at the telecommunication, the department was allocated 58,737 crores, which is 40% annual increase. They're not spending on this budget जो दिए हैं. What they have done, the allocation towards the majority of the components of revival plan, जो BSNL MTNL को revive करने वाले थे, they have shifted to the budget for 21-22. जो 2021 में था, उसे 21-20 में shift कर दिए. तो we need a direction from the government कि ये कैसे करोगे. Mainly the Universal Service Obligation Fund. This is again now, unless until you do something proper for the telecommunication, it's going to be a challenge. People, I'll give you an example. In my constituency, Gelagoda, there was in Lamtaput block. I visited the village, it's in the border area, left-wing extremism. वहाँ के बच्चे क्या करते हैं? पहाड़ पे जाते हैं, मोबाइल टावर के एक सिग्नल पकड़ेंगे, and there are bear attacks. The danger to their lives, they can't study. And why is the government blind on this request? I've raised the issue 4-5 times, multiple times. आप कर लीजिए, अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे तो वो जियो को दे दो आप. कम से कम मोबाइल टावर आए, that is the only demand which we have. The atmosphere today, ma'am, in the country is one of gloom and doom. One could hope. हम नहीं चाहते, हम चाहते हैं आप अपना काम करो. अगर कर नहीं पा रहे हो तो कुछ और बताओ. खाली चुप के रहने से कुछ नहीं होगा. हम विरोध करते हैं, ये हम दो हमारे दो के सरकार है. खाली इफ देयर हेकलिंग, आप जवाब दो ना. मोबाइल कनेक्टिविटी क्यों नहीं है? FCA का क्या हाल है, मैम?
Converse with me and wrap it up,
Ma'am, 2 minutes is.
please.
If I get heckled, how will I complete my
No, please don't get distracted. Just focus on what you have to say.
unemployment record levels?
Please
Unemployment.
focus on what you have to say and wrap
I'm
it up.
saying that, ma'am. But if I'm being heckled,
No,
how will I complete? Ma'am, through you, the unemployment level, बेरोजगारी का ये बजट में कैसे आप सॉल्यूशन करोगे बताओ? आत्मनिर्भर भारत क्या मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रेस किया है?
आगे बोलिए.
बोल रहा हूं मैं. तो ये दिस इज अराउंड 9.1% अभी. ये अभी क्या बात नहीं है. ये मोदी सरकार जब स्टार्ट हुआ तब से 2014 से लेकर 19 तक -6.1% था. कोरोना बचा दिया आपको कि आप अपना ये कर दिए. कोरोना के लिए सब कुछ हो रहा है एंड एवरीथिंग. द एटमॉस्फेयर टुडे इन द कंट्री इज वन ऑफ ग्लूम एंड डूम. One could hope that the BJP government come up with a package to simulate demand. Demand आप जब तक करोगे नई न्याय योजना हम लोग लाए थे. पैसा दे दो 6-6 हज़ार रुपया गरीब परिवार को. आप $5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी की बात कर रहे हो, वो कहाँ गया? आई एम जस्ट रैपिंग अप मैम. दिस इज माय लास्ट सबमिशन. आखिर में यही चीज़ एक शायरी बोल के मैं ख़त्म करता हूँ जो सुषमा जी भी बदले थे. अनुराग ठाकुर जी आप सुनो. तो उधर इधर की बात ना कर, ये बता कि काफिला क्यों लूटा. मुझे रहजानों से गिला नहीं, तेरे रहबरी का सवाल है. थैंक यू मैम. एंड दिस गवर्नमेंट इज हम दो हमारे दो सरकार